In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Salesforce object into Excel, including all fields with their API names, and we'll do this in about 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process, making it easy for you to manage your data effectively. Let's dive in to see how you can achieve this effortlessly. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Chrome Web Store. Here, we're going to download an essential tool called Salesforce Inspector. This Chrome extension is incredibly handy and will be our main tool for extracting data from Salesforce into Excel. Once you have Salesforce Inspector installed, don't forget to pin the extension to your browser's toolbar. By pinning it, you ensure quick access anytime you need to use it, without having to navigate through your collection of extensions. Simply click on the little puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your browser, find Salesforce Inspector, and click the pin icon next to it. Next, you'll want to log in to your Salesforce account. This step is crucial because you need to be inside your Salesforce environment to access the data you're looking to export. Make sure you have the correct credentials handy and log in as you normally would. Now that you're logged into Salesforce, navigate to the list view of the object you're interested in exporting. For instance, if you want to export data from the Accounts or Contacts object, make sure you have the respective list view open. The list view provides a comprehensive overview of all the records you're dealing with, so choose the one that includes all the records you need. With the relevant list view open, click on the pinned Salesforce Inspector extension. You'll be presented with several options, but for this task, we're focused on selecting the Data Export function. This will allow you to define and run specific queries needed to export your data. Now it's time to write out a soql query. If you're new to this, don't worry. soql, or Salesforce Object Query Language, is used to search your organization's Salesforce data. For your query, you'll want something along the lines of selected name, all other fields, from object name. This template query is your ticket to fetching detailed records, complete with their IDs, names, and every field you need from the specified object. After you've crafted your query, go ahead and run the export. Once executed, you'll find the results displayed next to the Export Results section. To wrap things up, you have a couple of options. You can either click on the Copy CSV to Clipboard or select Download to acquire a file directly to your computer. Choose the method that suits your needs best. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully exported data from a Salesforce object into an Excel file with all API names included. Whether you're managing contacts, accounts, or any other data, this method is both efficient and reliable. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and happy exporting.